Alright, so we are in Bunbury. It's just south of Perth, about 2 hours. And we are going fishing. Got the old boy, 2 kids, 2 older kids. Off we go. Let's do this. Let's catch some big fish.
Kick it!
So while we're getting set up, we get the drone out there and get all the lines set up, get the kids ready, drop the first line, boom, Kobe catches first fish. He called it earlier that he'd catch the first 2. Sure enough, listen to his reaction. Second time, boom, Kobe catches second fish. He always catches the first 2 fish. He's such a good little fisherman now. So proud of him, and to listen to his reaction is just absolutely magical. This is why I love taking the kids fishing, for their reactions, and yeah, have a listen. It's so exciting for him. What do we got, dude? First fish for the day.
Mate, you're gonna come back, mate.
What is it?
Stop.
Oh, little fishy.
Hang on, don't
stop, mate. Stop.
You've got to leave them in the water. Look out. Watch out, mate. Good catch. Right, yeah, bring your rod in.
Bring your rod in, mate.
That's a big one.
Kobe's on again.
Where's your bottom here? No, yeah. You can get lighter, yeah.
This one's smaller.
Pink snapper.
It's smaller.
Alright, out the way, sweetie, out the way, Cobes.
It's even smaller.
You're right, watch out, mate. Did you get a photo with him?
No.
You going in the water?
Yep.
You can pull that one up as quick.
Alright, another hook up. What do we got this time? Can you see colour yet?
No.
Are you guys watching your rods?
Guys, this one's gonna tip.
It's okay, mate. Peyton, can you move out the way, sweetie? Just look. You got colour?
What is that?
A Dhu Fish.
Watch out, come.
Yeah, that's big.
Didn't even hit the bottom, mate.
Hang on.
Watch out.
Alright, so little baby Dhu Fish, WA Dhu Fish. And she's not sized, so she's going back in the water.
And somebody might catch it again.
Come on, buddy.
Yeah! Derek's got something. I think it's a stingray.
Or shark. Or the band.
He's struggling. We're hoping it's
A big Jewy.
It's not a fish, but we're hoping
I
it
can
was.
see some colour.
Oh,
That's a stingray.
Stingray.
How are we supposed to get that off?
Put it in the water. So as you can see, we foul hooked this poor fella, and in the end I just had to cut the line away from the tail because its tail was just whipping around too much and it was a bit dangerous, so he swam off nicely at the end. So, out fishing with the kittywinks, Jacobs, Peyton. No luck yet. A couple of small fish that we've had to return, but yeah, bite time's nearly finished and we're going to give it a crack a bit longer. From here, if we don't catch any dewies or anything like that, we are going to try catch some whiting and see how we go. But it's a beautiful day, you can't complain about the day. Have a look at the weather. It's just magic. You just don't get these conditions very often. And we don't get a chance to come down here to do much of this fishing, so it's bloody brilliant. So we'll yeah, we'll see how we go and hopefully we catch on a big one and we'll show you what happens.
Yeah, you're still on.
Peyton's on. She's got a little fish.
Oh, big one.
We haven't caught one in a while. It's been a slow old day. I think it's the skipper's fault.
Yeah.
what is it?
Oh!
What's that other rod?
What is that?
No, don't touch that. Don't touch that. That's very dangerous.
Oh,
Leave it in the water.
What is it?
Gurnard fish. All right, double hook up. We're going to whiting. We killed the pig with the big fish, and I was too excited with the double hook up that we did. I'll show you those fish a bit later, but have a go at this. We've gone to our whiting patch here. Kobe's hooked on. Peyton's hooked on. It's all happening. It's all happening. What do we got, guys? Any colour yet?
This is a big fight.
Yeah, it's good.
That's too big for a whiting.
What do we got? Oh, look at it running. That's it. Keep going.
I see some colour.
Yeah? You see some colour? Where?
No, I can't.
Oh, slow down, mate. Slow down. Right, what do you got, dude? Oh, nice little skippy. Oh, no, it's a little pink snapper. Stop, mate. Leave it in the water. Leave it in the water. Granddad will help you with that one.
It's a game. It gave me a colour.
Yeah, that's okay. Keep bringing it up. Yeah. Right, can you grab Kobe's?
Yep.
What have we got here?
I think it snaps it. Man, this is a big
Don't,
fight.
it'll snap the line if you bring it in. What have we got? Oh, yours is a decent size by the looks of it. Is it another pinky?
Holy moly.
Hey, good size pinky. Okay, let some line out, sweetie. Show us what you got there, sweetie. What is it? Tell me.
Pink snapper.
Put it in the sun so we can see those beautiful colours. Have a go at it. Yeah, good job. Oh. All right, do you want to? We'll pick it up. Yep, we'll pick it up and we'll put it in the water somehow.
And chuck it.
Ready? Here we go. Great job, kiddo. High five. Yeah.
Things I'm going to do in my arm.
Alright, so we missed some action because me and the old boy there, we hooked onto a double header, and this was the result. Have a go at this. This is what you come out fishing for. So we'll get some better shots, but two massive WA Dhu fish. So I'll get some better shots of us holding that up. We couldn't film it unfortunately because we were catching them at the same time, but yeah, we are stoked. So we've caught our bag of that, and now we're heading out for some whiting. We can catch 40 whiting, We can catch 40 whiting and 2 WA Dhu fish. We are eating like kings tonight. Woo! Come on. Go, Peyton. You're on. Go, Peyton. Because I'm filming. Go. How's that for timing?
We heard you the first time.
How can I do it?
She'd be a good fisherman if you wanted to get a fish, eh?
There's only one fish here.
You're not scared of crabs.
I think it's off.
Is it off? Cobes,
Kobe.
Cobes, mate.
This one here just had a whose is that one?
That's Cobes.
Let it down a bit lower. Not your, yeah, that one. That just had a good bite. Rightio.
Did you lose it, sweetie?
I think so.
Yeah. Stop there. Stop. Yeah, you lost it. That's alright.
Oh, my booger, Dad.
Yeah, you got squid boogers.
Hey, it's not hit the bottom yet.
Yay, we chick Peyton!
What's going on, dude?
Nothing really, I'm just fishing.
How many fish you caught today? Come on, mate. They haven't got all day. 7. Oh. You're a true fisherman. Let me guess, they're all meter flatties?
No.
Nah. How many fish you caught?
1,001.
Ah, an even better fisherman. Come on! Yoo-hoo-hoo! So this is a new feature that we had with our GoPro. We got a mouthpiece for it, and I thought I'd give it a go. I've been having it on the stick all this time, and I actually caught a fish. The rare time that I've actually caught a fish and got to wind it in myself rather than giving it to the kids, which doesn't happen very often when you go fishing, but that's why you take the kids fishing, I suppose, isn't it? So yeah, I can't speak much while I'm catching a fish because I've got the GoPro in my mouth, but ended up managing to catch it, and yeah, have a look.
Come on. No.
Woohoo!
What is that? Is that a pink? That's a big pink snap. Oh, blood is coming in. He stuck that bait. Snap another hook.
Can you grab that bait?
Well, that was the fish that I just caught. Sorry I couldn't speak, I had the GoPro in my mouth. But these are the fish that we've been catching, this little pink snapper. Have a go at it. Look at the colours.
I know.
It's actually spiking me at the moment, so we'll throw him back. 1, 2, 3. Yoop! See ya!
He's still down there.
And down he goes. Ew! Now the little man's on.
Oh,
He's got squid on his butt. Hard squid butt.
Somebody put it on. Granddad. Oh, Granddad.
You just concentrate on fishing, dude. Don't get tangled up with your sister's line, Peyton. Want to wind it in a little bit?
Mine?
Yeah, yours.
Oh boy, it's coming out too.
Another pink snapper, you reckon, mate? What are you calling?
A pea.
Oh, we got a tangle. We're in trouble. Nah.
Oh.
Keep going, dude. You're going quick, Peyton. Wind it in quickly. Yours is underneath his. That's it, dude. Good technique, mate. Yeah, let it run, mate. Let it run. Put yours back down, sweetie. They're down there. You'll catch one. Don't muck around with the drag, mate. See now, look what you've done.
What?
Don't muck around with stuff that you don't know about, alright? Leave that for Dad. Alright, is it coming up? You got colour yet?
Oh no!
Still fighting him.
It's hot. Yeah.
What is it gonna be?
Pink snapper. Oh, maybe it's a
Oh, we got some colour. See if we Oh, it's a trevally.
Oh, wait.
Little Skippy. Little skipjack. Alright, do you want to let some line out, mate, and walk backwards a little bit, and we'll get this fish in, eh? We'll show everyone what you caught. Walk back a little bit. Yeah! Alright, let some more line out, mate.
That's the biggest one we caught today.
Yeah, good job, dude. Look at that.
You're the
Alright, we'll get the hooks out. Alright, what do you got, dude? Have a look.
A little skipper.
Little skipjack. Call him Skippy. It's a type of trevally, isn't it?
Hi, Skippy.
Alright, do you want to hold him up so that we can see him? Alright, they're not bad chewing when they're fresh like this. If you freeze them, they're no good. But yeah, do you want to hold him up in the sun, mate? A good fisherman knows how to hold a fish, son. So, cracking day on the ocean, let me tell ya. Have a look at this. Got the filleting going on. Couple of nice slabs here. Have a look. Bloody beauty. Still one more to go. Small little skibby in there. But have a look. Bit gutsy, gory, but that's the end product. That's what we're after. That is just magnificent. Alright, if I could give you the biggest tip right now of when you go fishing, is live next door to someone who knows how to fillet. Say hello to your future self, Luke.
Hey mate, there you go.
Luke's come around, he's filleted all the fish. What a gentleman. Who does that? Look at that.
Did Kobe catch a fish?
Did he ever?
Did Kobe catch a fish?
Show us what you're doing there, Luke.
Oh, I just gotta lock the side. Lock the
Let the skin off.
get off.
Kobe catch any?
He did.
How many?
About 7 or so. Oh, look at that.
There you go, bud.
That is prime meat.
That's
How much is that a kilo at the shops?
$80.
80 bucks a kilo. Well guys, hope you enjoyed the video of the kids fishing. They had a cracking time. Caught some fish that they've never caught before. Caught some sizes that they've never caught before. They've normally gone for little fish, and this is the first opportunity in the boat that we've got them out in the deep. They learned fishing for the future, which is the most important lesson of all. If it's not size, just throw it back. So please, if you enjoyed the video, like, subscribe, and more videos to come. We've got part 2 with the boys out fishing deep, so no kids on the next one. And there's some funny stuff that happens in that one. So don't miss it. Subscribe so you don't miss it. Thanks for watching. Enjoy. We will see you on the next one. Cheers, guys.